Alright, you bloody ripper, what's the crack, boys and girls? Welcome to this Dubai apartment tour. Today I'm going to basically give you a house tour, show you my new apartment here in Dubai. I'm going to walk around, show you how I set the place up for my gym, my training and my work. I run an online consulting company, but I want to show you first of all the view, because I think the view is absolutely mad, and you can actually see the Dubai skyline in the background there. It's very foggy, but it's very warm today in Dubai, so I'm not going to stand out in this balcony too long. Now, I've literally just moved here. As you can see, the washing's on the line. Cleaner was here this morning. Cleaner's absolutely amazing. I'll put in a little clip of the cleaner here now. So this is Pramila. She's my cleaner. She's brilliant. She keeps me alive. What do you think of me, Pramila?
I am thinking you will good. You're good now.
I'm good, okay. So that's Pramila. She's absolutely amazing. And I look like one of those gimpy influencers that goes to Thailand and talks about like, oh, I'm spiritual now. But anyway, I'm going to get into this house tour and show you what we've got. So this is the TV. I watch shit at night whenever I'm absolutely exhausted. And this is our bookshelf. If you want to see any books that I have, I've got this Turning the Flywheel. This is one of my favorite books ever. I've just finished it. It's called Until Victory Always by Jim McGinnis. And then we've got Scaling Up. A lot of these books I haven't actually read yet. I've read Pitch Anything, but a lot of these ones are ones that were gifted to me. And some of them look a bit like How to Get Rich looks a bit cringe to me, but apparently it's very good. So these are the books that I have. I have a lot more books on my Kindle, which I'll show you later on. But yeah, this is pretty much it. So we got a little plant there. We've got some basic stuff. This is so boring and I don't want to just talk about this stuff. The toilet roll is there because I have a cold, not for any other reason, you dirty-minded people. So this is the kitchen, and this is basically the setup that we have here. I don't cook at all, and I don't want to. I hate cooking. So if you've ever seen the video of Conor McGregor's house tour whenever he was in the UFC, this is pretty much the same. So I'll put the clip up right now of what his fridge looked like.
No processed sugars, treats, desserts. But I don't want to come down here and open up my fridge and see a big cake staring at my face and then tempt me, because then I'll eat the whole damn thing, you know what I mean?
And so my fridge looks the exact same. As you can see, all we have is bottles of water, basically sugar-free soda. Why do I call it soda? I'm not American. 7-Up, that's what its name was. And then protein shakes, more water, and then my meal prep. I just eat stuff out of the microwave. These are healthy meals. I had one person say to me, oh, you shouldn't be eating stuff out of the microwave, it's not healthy. And it's like, bro, don't worry about that shit, you know what I mean? Just eat the good food first and then worry about how it's cooked, right? And then finally we have some yogurts, that's just for making smoothies. And if I go to the freezer here, freezer tour, we've got some strawberries and blueberries. I'm just gonna get more fruit, that's all I want. All I want is good stuff, because I never come up here and never wanna have a big cake or anything like that in my apartment, because I'll just eat that shit and I'll just ruin all my hard work for the week. So yes, that's pretty much the living area, that's the kitchen. Gonna get a table and chairs here to eat my chicken and rice off of every day. And then we have our bathroom. This is the first bathroom. There are 3 bathrooms in here for some reason. I only use basically 2 of them. I use this one while I'm working during the day, and I have an ensuite in the main bedroom, which I use all the time. So that's it. I don't even use this second bathroom, and I'm not going to show you what's inside because maybe I don't have to. Okay, so this is the office, and now I'm going to give you a quick productivity setup here. Alright guys, so welcome to Office Tour ASMR. So I'm just going to show you around this place. I don't know why I did that, but this is the light that I use for my videos. This is basically the tripod. We have a Sony a7 III, which I shoot off, and some 4K lenses, which were way too expensive, and Jesus, I didn't know it was going to be so expensive. We've got a little lamp here for a little bit of ambiance, and then this is basically our office setup. It's my dream office setup. I've always wanted one like this where, you know, I'm just sitting there like that and I've got a nice view in the background. People would ask, why don't you set the monitor up facing out the way? But then I couldn't show off the cool view in my videos, which is probably one of the main reasons I got this place, was because I just wanted to make cool videos with a cool background. So I'll walk you through basically what I have here. So this is a MacBook Pro. As you can see, I don't have like 50 million cables coming out of it. I have a charger and I have one cable that goes to a dock. And this is something I only bought this year because I didn't realize that you could get it. But it basically it acts as like a hub for all of my cables. So as you can see, cable management is not my strong point, but it doesn't really matter. I don't see that stuff anyway. So we've also got a mic here. I wanted to get a more expensive like Shure SMB mic, but it was a couple $100 and there's like some extra thing you have to set up and I can't be bothered setting it up. So this is basically our monitor. As you can see, I could probably clean that thing. There hasn't been a child. I don't want to blame a child on this because I don't have children, but that's somehow my fingers from just touching it all the time. I don't know why I'm doing that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You've got bottles of water, you've got a little notepad. This is where I basically write my to-dos for the day and list out what I'm gonna do for my week. Then we have the magic whiteboard. You'll probably see this in videos where I explain stuff, where I plan out the week and stuff like that. I've got nothing on at the moment because there's nothing in my little head. So in here, we basically just store all of our like cleaning stuff, bags, like camera stuff. It's a bit of a mess in here, but as long as it's nice and clean outside, that is all I really give a shit about. But that view is insane, boys. Look at that, mad. That's absolutely mad. I'm so buzzing. All right, so I don't know why I'm showing you my bedroom, but this is the bedroom. That's the view. It's pretty mad when you wake up and you see that shit every morning. So that's all I'm gonna show you. I don't wanna show you my bathroom because it's a bit weird. So that's the end of the house tour. I'm just gonna squint until the video's over and put a funny clip at the end here. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, you bloody ripper. Welcome. What am I doing with that fucking accent, man?